This question from NTOM 2025 September afternoon question paper. So consider a context-free grammar G. So G is the context-free grammar CFG. So not control flow graph, friends. This is different. Over a finite alphabet, sigma equals to A, B, C are the production rules of the G. So friends, the grammar, context-free grammar is G and it contains these three production rules. These three are called the production rules, friends. Capital S, capital X are nodes and this order does not matter. Order does not matter. To bx. So S and X here, these two S and X here, these two are non-terminal nodes. Non-terminal. So because S consists of B and X, right? S consists of, so B and X. So again X is BXA, right? You can write B, X equals to BXA. So we write this in terms of X. Okay. So again we write X, right? So this is an infinite. Because of that, these two are non-terminal nodes. So X equals to C. This one, third one is, this is terminal node. This is terminal node. So it does not extend, only it stops after C, right? So this is the terminal node. Variables, friends. Capital S and X are variables and small a, small b, small c are terminals. These are terminals. Small a, small b, small c are terminals. Capital X, capital S are variables. Represents stream, it generating a stream, that is, for example, if A, small b, capital A, B, C, D, for example, this is a stream or context grammar. So for A, this is called the right side context, right context. This is left context. The non-terminal X. So that is the capital X equals to non-terminal. It's not terminated. XA. It recursively produce this string, right? So this recursively produce. So like this, BXA. Again we write BB, replace X with, if we replace X with BXA, so that is BXA. Again A, right? So this is this one. This means it is recursive stream. Recursively produces this one, BXA. So how many times it produces? 0 times or more times. 0 times or more times. Like, so in line X, star means, in line X coding, A star means A is 0 times or more times, right? 0 times or more times. Like this, 0 times or more times, this produce this stream. Recursively, this produce this stream. For example, if the stream produce, that is X produced by 0 times. If it produces 0 times, 0 times means X equal to C, right? 0 times means X implies C. So for example, this is 0 times. For one time X equal to BCA. Okay. For 2 times x equal to x implies b, b, c, a, right? C is only one time because x equals to c. So stream, in the stream bxa, put x equal to c, and 0 times means b power 0 x equal to c, that is we are writing x equals to c, a power 0, right? Anything power 0 is 1, that implies c, right? X equals to c. If b power 1 x equal to c and a power 1, that is bca, right? So here b power 2 x equal to c and a power 2, right? In the same way it recursively produces 0 times or more times, right? We general formula we write in terms of n for general formula. So c is only one time, right? C is one time and b is increasing. For 0 times it is, if n equals to 0, 1, right? N, b, n, c, a power n, right? For n times. So that is x equal to, so we are writing, first step is consider the non-terminal node, that is this one, recursive node, this one, you consider this one, and writing a formula in terms of general formula in terms of n, and n is greater than or equal to 0. Equal to 0 is also possible, right? If we put 0 this times, that is 0 times. Step we consider the x which is non-terminal node. This is the first step. For the next step, so consider the stream and replace this x with this condition, general condition. Okay, replace this condition with general condition. Replace. So that is S implies b times x equals to b power n c a power n, right? For n greater than or equal to 0, that is power n plus 1 c a power n for n greater than or equal to 0. So this is the general condition. So how the stream is generated for 0 times, that is n equals to 0, that implies n equals to 0, b, c, right? B, c only. For n equals to 1, b square, sorry we did not write b square, b, c, a, right? B power is increasing. If n equal to 2, b, c, a like this stream is increasing. So first we consider this non-terminal, this condition, and put c in this condition. So there are three conditions, right? S tends to bx. Second condition is x tends to b x bxa, and third condition is x equals to c. Terminal condition, this is non-terminal condition, this is also non-terminal condition. First you consider this one and put this value in this condition, that is put x equal to c, so that is bca. After this we write the 0 times or more times, consider in general form, write in general form. After this put this value in this form. Okay, you can go like this from step 3, terminal node x equal to c, put this, and again and this go this side, and consider the general form only. This is the answer, friends. The answer is b power n plus 1 c a power n condition n greater than or equal to 0. So this is the answer, correct answer. Here only b power n, right, and c power n plus 1. This option is incorrect. and this is n greater than or equal to 1. So here 0 times also we are consider, right? This is very very important. N is greater than or equal to 0 also. This is sometimes the options are same, but here they change, friends. You can concentrate on this also. This is very very important. Greater than or equal to 1 0 0 1. Sometimes only they give greater than only. Okay, so all other options are incorrect. This option A is correct for this question. Friends, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends.